installed. Obviously, we're windshield deficient at the moment.
It's very clean.
It's a very clean windshield.
Very clean.
It's some new technology. Going in the old now. It's sitting over there. We got to put that in. Yeah, I think most everything in the interior is about back together. We're gonna do a little cable management over here, a little adjustment on the glove box door, and then man,
the door panels and
stuff go in.
Handles and
that's these here. Gonna clean those up, get it bolted back in. But man, this is gonna be greatness.
We are totally getting there.
Cruising along. All right. I don't know what I'm stepping on. Screwdrivers. Yeah. Oh, this is awesome. Here, let's put some light on you. So, oh, there we go. Yeah, bask in it.
Basking it. It's a glow. Good to go.
Yeah.
So.
Yay! Almost there. As soon as we get all the interior wrapped up, windshield in, I'm gonna come through. We've figured out how to heat the shop well enough to at least keep it, you know, in the 50s or 60s.
It's nice in here.
It's not bad. That way I can do all the pinstriping on the letters, which I'll get to here pretty soon. All right, dude, rock on. Boom. All right, we'll bring you back later.
Oh, the working brake.
Oh, what have we not done today? Sanding.
Not sanding.
No sanding.
That's why I enjoy it. That's what I enjoy.
You enjoy the not sanding aspects of it.
Yes.
And it does look good. I'm gonna pull you back a little bit, actually. Yeah. There. The money shot right down the side. Oh, actually, let's do the money shot down this side. Close your door.
Me?
Yeah, close your door. Oh yeah, back you out. Boom! Cruising in the mystery machine. About to be a thing. Get this before you get too much deeper. So, Craig's putting in the rope right now so we can get the windshield and so the soapy rope. He's playing with the soapy rope in public again. So we're using a cotton rope. It's been soaking in soapy water. Should make that a little bit easier. His brother's here, nephew's here, just so we have some extra hands on the outside to help tamp and push and move this thing around like we need to. And once we get that in, that's one of the last exterior things. We got to put the door plates on in here, and then the interior is put together. It's looking great. So anyways, we'll bring you back. I'll set it up just on a time lapse or something when we do that.
The gasket to get on.
Oh, the gasket's a little tough to get on, and it's very confusing. It only goes on one way, and one way very specifically, and it is not the way it looks like it goes on. These are basically the same as the late 60s trucks, mid 60s trucks. It's this exact same windshield diameter, but the shape is slightly different on these. I believe the trucks have more of a curve here, whereas this is more flattened out, but it is the exact same one as I think what a 66 truck window or something like that, somewhere in there. So you get a little bit of overlap towards the center here, and then we'll put it in. We are not good at this. There are 100 videos out there about how to do this, so we'll just put the comedy reel on with some time lapse here.
What are we forgetting?
Who knows? Let's start it.
Okay.
It'll tell us.
Well, let's open that up.
First startup in what? Over
Dad.
a year and a half. Well, we call it the first attempt at a startup.
Seat, and we can go ahead and
Don't put that.
fuelification, one might say.
Yeah. Where's the? You got the. You got the. All right, we just filled her up. Premium. We're gonna use a little remix.
Hold on, are we in park? We are not in park. Yeah.
Let's see how much fire we can make. Van's working. Oh, she's gonna run. Pump her again.
The runner.
The mystery machine lives! Moving it back and forth a little bit to get the torque converter to fill back up. Get it drained out after sitting for so long.
You have no brake lights, no tail lights.
Yeah, there's a switch in there that they're hooked up to somewhere. We'll have to figure that out. So, okay, whoa, leave the window down. Leave the window down. Leave it.
Looking good, clear.
Looking good, clear. This thing sounds great. The rattle you hear is the straight pipes with these side pipes on that other side.
Just come to win. It's the pipes.
It's the pipe.
On that side or this side?
This side for sure.
No, he hears it over here too. Put your foot down on it, Josh. It goes away. Do what?
It's 90% this side.
It's this right here. I don't know. Here, I hear it went more over here.
Like, because touch it again. Put your foot on.
What?
It just went away.
What'd you
It
say?
just went away. It's this
No, I
one.
can hear it in here still. I'm sure it's over there too. That makes sense. They're both the same.
Yeah.
Here you can hear it. It's a
Echo chamber. Don't back up. Go forward.
forward.
Our little spinners on the caps there.
I think I see it right here. We're getting water temp. Water temp's going up.
That's the old hangar.
Water temperature. Yeah, go forward. To the right.
Yeah, watch out. Okay, you're good. Yeah, he was laying under the tire as you were rolling forward. I mean, safety third and all, but come on.
It's not
I
that.
definitely want to figure that out.
Yeah, that's the same rattle. We need a rubber. We've got some rubber sheet. We need to put a rubber bushing on the bolt down there. Yeah.
Well, it's the. Oh, we can cut it down. Well, what it is, where it's doing it is the baffle. I mean, the heat shield over the exhaust is touching the body.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Doing that.
Yeah.
Be easy. So, ask Josh to test it again. And I think he has some more train
Put it.
fluid over there.
Hang on. Keep your foot on the brake. He is laying under the tire.
Okay, well that's not.
Get out from under the car, please.
Here it's gone.
Yeah.
Just the exhaust. The exhaust not being bolted to the body right now.
Yeah.
We'll
Okay.
figure it out, but-
So we just need to tighten it up.
Yeah, it just needs to be tightened to the body.
Okay.
What?
The exhaust just needs to be bolted or tightened
Yeah.
on.
Okay.
And there's also a mount.
So, hey, Josh,
Yeah.
you want to check the trans fluid?
Yeah.
Brandon, there's I think more trans fluid over here if we want to add more.
It was this far up the dipstick.
Well, I just took that one again. Where
Okay.
at, Craig? What? Where's the trans fluid you said? There's a bunch of fluids over there on the right.
Yeah, it should be up there somewhere if we have any. I think that's rear end gear oil. Oh, I'm so happy. It sounds so good. Look, no smoke. This is what happens when you don't build a, huh? Oh yeah, it's running now, bud. You're good. Front end's good. Woohoo! First drive in the Mystery Machine.
Do eat!
Roro Raggy! What's up, everybody?
She's rolling.
She is a rolling. Dude, we're driving the Mystery Machine. Should probably shut the door all the way.
Yes, sir. How the brakes feel? I mean, like manual brakes.
Yeah. They were never great in this.
I will say there's a lot of like steering kind of complexity. Could you move that? No, we have a
Where?
person in the driver's seat, right? There you
In?
Here we go. Oh, you're so lucky. I'm good. Go. I'm good now. No, I don't think you can. I don't go. Little up and in.
Yeah, it's bad. It floats. It always did.
I don't recall that, but this is a lot of flow.
Yeah. Yeah, it floats a lot.
Well, it's like driving a boat.
This would be no fun to drive a long trips like this.
Don't do what he's doing.
Speedo doesn't work.
Take a look at it.
The fuel gauges were full.
Yeah, that just means it has power.
Yeah.
Cruising the Mystery Machine.
Over 160 it looks like.
Well, surely my life is going to be